Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly while others struggle just to make ends meet? What if we told you that earning more is shrouded in myths and misconceptions that could be holding you back from your financial potential? In this video, we're diving deep into the surprising truths and debunking common myths about making money. Subscribe to our channel to discover how you can unlock your true earning power and why skipping this video might keep you in the dark about transforming your financial future. Number 1. Busting myths. The surprising truths about earning more. Many entrepreneurs mistakenly think that increasing sales is just about selling more. However, the key to boosting revenue often lies in generating more leads through offering value upfront for free. This strategy is about more than generosity. It's a savvy investment in future sales. By giving potential customers a free trial or sample, businesses can showcase their product's benefits and build credibility. For instance, a software company might offer a 30-day trial, allowing users to see how it enhances their operations, which boosts the likelihood of a purchase once the trial ends. This approach not only attracts more interested parties, but also helps in identifying the most qualified leads. Ultimately, providing value up front can transform passive observers into engaged customers, driving both sales and customer loyalty. Number 2. Unlocking the secrets of the value prediction model. Predict customer behavior and boost your sales. People make purchasing decisions based on their expectations of future value, a principle that holds true for products and services of any size. To effectively harness this behavior, businesses should focus on demonstrating the value of their offerings up front. By providing a solution to a small part of a potential customer's problem at no cost, a company can establish trust and credibility. This strategy does more than just introduce the product. It actively engages the customer by giving them a tangible sense of how the full service or product can benefit them. For example, a software company might offer a free basic version of their program to help customers experience the interface and key features, thereby encouraging them to upgrade to more advanced options. By solving an initial problem for free, businesses not only build a relationship with potential customers, but also lay the groundwork for further engagement. This approach not only increases the likelihood of a sale, but also enhances the overall customer experience, leading to greater customer loyalty and word-of-mouth promotion. Number 3. Lead magnets. That convert, transform your business strategy. Now, generating leads effectively typically hinges on two distinct strategies: direct offers and value-first approaches. Direct offers are straightforward, such as proposing a car wash for $100, but enhancing these offers with additional allure and tangible benefits can significantly increase their appeal. This razzle-dazzle might include superior service features or customer rewards that emphasize the value of the offer. On the other hand, a value-first approach aims to build relationships by addressing a part of a potential customer's problem without charge or at a substantial discount. For example, a business might offer a free initial consultation or a discounted first session of a service. This method not only demonstrates the business's expertise and builds trust, but also piques the interest of potential customers, encouraging them to explore further and deeper engagements with the brand. This strategy effectively transforms initial free or discounted interactions into gateways for more extensive and profitable customer relationships. Number 4. Core offer or lead magnet. Mastering the art of irresistible deals. Understanding the difference between your core offer and your lead magnet is essential for effective marketing and sales strategies. The core offer is what your business fundamentally sells. It's the primary source of your revenue, encompassing the products or services that generate the most income. In contrast, a lead magnet is a marketing tool designed to attract potential customers by offering them a valuable solution to a specific problem, often for free or at a low cost. For instance, If your business specializes in painting houses, a suitable lead magnet could be providing a free color consultation or a detailed cost estimate. This not only adds immediate value for the customer, but also introduces them to your broader services in a non-threatening way. By effectively using lead magnets, you can entice potential customers, giving them a taste of your expertise and increasing the likelihood of converting them into paying clients for your core offerings. Number 5. Magnetize your sticking power. Effective lead magnets go beyond mere teasers. They deliver complete solutions to specific problems, thereby building trust and setting the stage for ongoing client engagement. Take, for example, a massage therapist facing challenges in attracting new clients. One strategic approach is to offer the first massage session at a reduced rate or even for free. This opportunity allows potential clients to experience the therapist's service firsthand without a significant financial commitment. When these initial sessions are executed with excellence, they significantly enhance the likelihood that clients will return for more full-priced sessions or commit to a series of treatments, thereby solidifying a longer-term relationship. Number 6. Spending more on nothing at all. The economics of free. Implementing lead magnets can initially appear financially daunting, especially when they involve offering services or products below cost. However, the potential long-term benefits can far outweigh these initial expenditures. For instance, a car detailer who offers sessions at a steep discount might draw in 20 new clients rather than just one at the regular rate. If even a few of those 20 clients convert to regulars, the revenue from their repeat business can quickly offset the initial losses from the discount. This approach of accepting a calculated upfront loss is a strategic investment in future profits, commonly employed by savvy businesses focused on long-term growth and customer retention. Embracing the concept of providing value before a purchase can transform your approach to generating leads and expanding your customer base. By understanding and applying these principles, you can enhance your business's appeal, increase trust, and build a more loyal following. Ready to revolutionize your lead generation strategy and see real results? Let's dive into these actionable tips in our other videos and watch your business grow.